Now looking at two-step solving. Now it's important to remember we need to keep both sides balanced. So here is an example of a question that is two-step, because it's got a times here and we've got a minus. We've got two different operations taking place. Now to do this, we need to undo and reverse BEDMAS, and I'll explain what that means in a second. And just like in the first one, we need to do the opposite to whatever's being done to unwind it. So if you think about BEDMAS, brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, when undoing it we want to work in reverse. So we want to do any addition and subtraction first. Now in this working you'll see I'll be using some different coloured text. I expect you to be showing everything that is blue on the slide. You're allowed to show green, it's good to show that as well, but you're not expected to. Okay, so when you're showing your working, especially if you're using Education Perfect, they'll often just accept the answer, but we'll be looking for you using proper working, because when it comes to paper, if you're just writing the answer, you'll often be marked incorrect because you're not showing algebraic methods of solving the question. So we're starting off with the addition and subtraction. Well, you can see there's a -4 here. So we're going to add 4 to both sides to keep it balanced. Now if we add 4 to this side's going to become 3D. Add 4 to this side, it's going to become 15. So we end up with 3D equals 15. Now remember this is 3 times D. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide by 3 on both sides. So 3D divided by 3 is just D, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we come out with that answer there. So when showing your working, it's all we need to see kind of the steps in between. This kind of all this blue here is what we need to expect to see in your working. Here is another example. Again, where do we start? We need to start off with our addition and subtraction. So you can see we've got this. You can see we've got this +7 here. So the opposite of adding 7 to both sides is subtracting 7 from both sides. Now if we subtract 7 from this side, that's going to cancel out, and 12 take away 7 is 5. Then we've got a divided by 4 there. So the opposite of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. So we do that to both sides. Now that's just going to make this side here Z, and this side here 20.